Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Hunting Technologies. Today, we are going to look at cleaning up this engine, which is heavily corroded, and we're going to be using a 120 aluminum oxide in a dry blast cabinet. As you can see, there's still some gasket seal that was left around here, and in dry blast, we should be able to actually remove the remainder of that. But we want to clean this thing up and kind of see, show you, I guess, what the aluminum oxide will do in a dry blast cabinet. We're gonna do like part of this just to give you a comparison. Pretty bad, it's pretty corroded, but I believe we can clean this up. So let's get it in the machine and see what happens. All right guys, we spent just a few minutes inside our dry blast cabinet blasting this, and as you can see, the corrosion's starting to come off. It is actually removing the rest of the gasket that was on here. It is gonna take some time and being a little precise to get everything cleaned off. This is definitely a process that will clean. Now your texture's a little rough, but the corrosion and everything that was on there is gone. It's just a matter of continuously running this through. It's gonna take some time, but if you're interested in cleaning some really corroded parts up using dry blast, it's definitely a method you can use. If you have any questions, give us a call, 828-220-4983. Thanks for watching.